Hello dear students, welcome back to E-Classes of Commerce Standard 12th. In this video, we'll be continuing our next topic, that is depository services. Let's study in detail its services. First is dematerialization and rematerialization. This is the first service provided by depositories. We already have studied the meaning of dematerialization and rematerialization. Dematerialization means converting physical securities, that means whatever it is in paper form, the shares which are in paper form, converting that into electronic data, that is dematerialization. And rematerialization means converting electronic data in physical form if investor desires to or request the depositories to convert electronic data into physical form. So this we have already studied. The main role of depository is to preserve the securities in demat account so that there is no chance of any theft or destruction or spoiling of securities. We can say that depository act as a bank for maintaining and preserving securities. Second is easy transfer of securities at less expense. So, depository provides the service to transfer the securities, and that also at less expense. Quick transfer of security is possible due to depository services. Depository reduces the burden of paperwork, due to which there were chances of many mistakes to occur. So the problems are removed due to depository services, as every work is preserved in electronic form, or you can say in electronic data. Transfer is also easily and quickly done. There are no chances of any kind of bad delivery or fake transfer. Even there is saving too, like there is no brokerage expense, no postage expense, no courier expense, stamp duty for the investors. So because of depository, it is possible to transfer the securities at less expense, as saving is possible. Only single share can also be transferred due to depository, and more than one share can also be transferred due to depository. Both are possible. Third is prompt settlement of transaction. That means there is quick and easy settlement after the transfer of securities. Prompt means quick. So there is a quick and easy settlement after the transfer of securities, like cash or securities are immediately received in individual's account. If cash is to be received, it is received in the bank account. If security is to be received, it is received in demat account. So the quick settlement is done through the electronic system. Fourth is record in customer's account. Receiving of bonus shares and right shares can be easily credited in the customer's account by electronic system. So each and every record is maintained in customer's account. Fifth is facility to mortgage. Having securities in a good amount provides the facility to mortgage securities and to obtain the loan against securities. Sixth point, facility to freeze account. In case investor desires to freeze the account means to close the account temporary. He can close the account temporary. In case he is shifting, going abroad, or closing the account for a short period, the depository provides the facility for freezing the account for that period. Seventh point, record and storage of information. Depository also provides the services of record and storage of information. What kind of record? It keeps the record of each and every transaction connected with securities in demat account, and the information remains very safe and confidential, and it is stored in such a way whenever it is required, it can be easily available. Eighth point, link between investor and clearing house. Depositories act as a link between investor and clearing house in the time of transaction of securities and at the time of settlement of transaction. Ninth and the last point, that is service through internet. Each and every services of depository is available to the investor through internet at the fair price. Depository provides the latest information to the customer of his account through internet. So each and every service is provided by depository is through internet. So here we have completed the 9 depository services. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.